can't remember stories. I just know that these 4 boys, they were like children. They were so happy to be on set. इतनी बातें
It was a
ये
playground,
नहीं
यार.
होते थे. इनके
हम set
lame
को बहुत
jokes,
किया,
इनके
बड़ा मजा.
अच्छे jokes, lame jokes, excitement. कि इस तरह करेंगे
And
उस तरह.
Salman and I have done-
और मैं बीच में खड़ी हूँ इन लोगों के साथ कि
So this is like a third
मेरे
film
tent में
together?
आना है पूरा घुसना था हर जगह. And I was just like, please just get out of my. So they would call
You
me.
had fun, okay?
They would call me.
Stop it.
खुशियों की कातिल.
खुशियों की कातिल.
खुशियों की कातिल because I was like a teacher. Like it's all fun and games, but it's work.
Yes.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
have to be serious.
Yeah,
You'll
yeah,
miss a
yeah.
shot, you'll miss something if you're too excited. But they were like
खास तौर पे
children.
her and Usman were hilarious.
Because of the genre and the film, it's like they were boys again. They're playing superheroes.
ये दिल से निकली है.
So, हाँ,
Oh my God.
Usman switched the. हमारे टेंट्स पे हमारे बाद नाम लिखे होते थे. It was cold, we used to keep the
बहुत
heaters
ठंड
inside.
बहुत ठंड थी.
Solid सर्दी. मुझे आदत है. I came from Canada तो मेरे लिए तो बहुत ओके मौसम था. इसलिए मेरे कॉस्ट्यूम की स्लीव नहीं है. तो क्योंकि मैं बर्दाश्त कर सकता था. So Usman changed the name
Bye.
outside her tent and put his name.
These stupid pranks they do. I'm like, how old are you? What class are you in? Like, just एक जब स्कूल में बच्चे होते लड़कियों को तंग करते हैं ना, फोन ही खींच लेंगे, ये कर लेंगे.
Usman,
इस टाइप की
listen,
चीजें.
more than anything, Usman तो बहुत तंग
कम नहीं
किया.
थे, but Usman हाँ.
Usman तो बहुत तंग किया.
So what did he do? ये बड़ा सारा उस्मान पे डाल देना.
बस ये मैडम सॉरी
नहीं,
मैडम.
उस्मान मुझे इतना वो नहीं, हाँ, he would just make like आ गई मैडम आ गई,
मैडम आ गई,
teacher
मैडम आ गई,
गुस्तानी जी आ
मैडम.
गई. But he would be more funny with the boys. Salma, I think everyone would take Usman's lead to tease me.
Okay.
And
So this is our like
Oof.
third film together,
this is our third film together.
है ना?
दोबारा फिर से
Yeah.
Ishrat
Ishrat
and
and this.
Yeah.
This one, yeah.
You know, so it was a lot of fun to bug.
So
Salman
he's used
Saeed.
to my temperament.
Okay.
He knows
knew.
कि
So
ज़्यादा.
मैं boys को जरा मैं कहता
हाँ,
boys
कि-
नहीं
हाँ,
चाहिए दो.
ये लिमिट क्रॉस हो जाएगी.
And also like I had a lot of serious stuff to do as well. So a lot of the time they were surprised कि मैं भी कभी कभार and my thing she knows this as well about me is that I can
Switch
I'm
on
a
and
switch. Right? I can be laughing, joking, and I will walk past that barrier and
You'll
I'm
be
a different
fine.
guy.
Yeah. How do you guys think ये फिल्म जो है पाकिस्तान की इंडस्ट्री में क्या कुछ चीजें चेंज कर देगी in film making? What are you guys hoping? Or what do you guys think? Because आपने
It's
production
a stepping
भी-
stone. It's what it has proved,
Yeah.
proven, and which it is really excelled in, and maybe other people will now come to them is the VFX.
Yeah, they were
Absolutely.
really
The VFX was going to be done abroad, and
Yeah.
for some reason
They
it
weren't
didn't
happy with
happen.
the little
The quality
of it.
and
Yeah.
then and why are you spending so much money sending money outside when
Yeah.
it can all be done here? And then VR Chili's and Asfar was heading it. एक studio में like vertical office बनाया हुआ है नीचे basement में the VR Chili Studios, and there are about 20
Yeah.
computer screens.
And they got the latest machinery.
Young and old, all age groups, VFX team.
It is now called Jubilant Studios, and now it is open for business. It was open for this film, and now it's open to other films.
That is
That's
what it has
great.
changed for this industry.
Yeah,
Like
that's a
you
huge
don't
game
have
changer.
to go
abroad.
abroad for VFX because the quality of VFX in this film, it was so clean. The the safai of the tail of the light of the smoke, the amount of glow. It wasn't over the top. It
Yeah.
wasn't.
ये नहीं था कि देखे हमने effect किया है. It's
It
very
was superb. The VFX.
yeah.
एक
We really
comment जो
loved it.
मैंने सुना like what would you say to it? मैं इससे agree नहीं करती but generally मैंने थोड़ी बहुत conversation सुनी कि नहीं सुपर हीरो मूवी थी तो VFX तो अच्छे होने ही थे तो उसका हम इतना क्रेडिट नहीं या नंबर नहीं दे सकते. Would you
I
agree?
That's
guess
unfair.
they-
I would
I
say that's
guess-
unfair.
Okay,
personally,
excuse
but
me. I
no.
guess they assume कि बाहर से कराए, इतने पैसे लगाए हैं.
Exactly.
तो जिस तरह सारी बाकी फिल्मों ने और एड्स कराते हैं बाहर से कराते तो ये तो होनी ही थी. But पाकिस्तान में एक छोटे से दफ्तर में इस्लामाबाद में यहाँ पे बनी गई है. That is commendable.
And I would tell you this. I would tell you
And
this.
if they didn't know that, then they can know that and feel proud now.
And I
कि
think a
it
lot
was
of
made
people
in
forget
Pakistan.
कि देखिए पहली चीज बनाना ना बहुत मुश्किल. कोई ब्लूप्रिंट नहीं
नहीं
होता
होता
आपके
आपके
पास.
पास.
ठीक है ना? And I think कि ये एक ऐसी
और
फिल्म
जिनके
होगी.
पास ब्लूप्रिंट होता है वो they succeed better as we've seen in other
100%.
things.
And I think कि जब तक हमारे पास अलग-अलग जॉनर्स की फिल्में नहीं बनेंगी तो दरवाजे नहीं खुल सकते. अब ये है कि हम ये भी कहते हैं कि भाई मस्ती वाली मूवीज भी बने, रोमांटिक कॉमेडी बने, एक्शन कॉमेडी बने, साई-फाई बने, क्राइम थ्रिलर्स बने, तब जाके बिकॉज ऑडियंस इज रेडी. ये बात गलत है. प्रोड्यूसर्स हैव टू स्टॉप थिंकिंग कि ऑडियंस तैयार नहीं.
So
audience is ready
Lal
to
Kabutar
accept
paved
this.
the way for crime thrillers.
Yes,
And you
that
have
was a
Gunjal,
fantastic
you have
film.
Chikkad, you have all these which are
You know,
excellent.
badi mazedar.
Asim Abbasi paved the way for these really realistic drama
offbeat.
indie films.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nabil paved the way for
अपनी अवाम लेकिन फिर भी in a crisp
Awami,
package.
but exactly.
You know?
with the gloss.
इशरत के
Basic
अपनी
kind
एक
gloss.
offbeat मजा था.
True.
You know, एक अलग कॉमेडी, एक अलग किस्म की स्टोरी
बहुत वॉल
टेलिंग.
को ब्रेक करना जिससे इतनी लोगों को तकलीफ
know?
थी, but it was something that you've seen in a lot of movies. So there were a lot of firsts in that. Same way.
मौला जबरदस्त
Mola is in a
एक्शन.
league of its own that really recreated something that's already so legendary, and to make it legendary
बड़ा मुश्किल.
again, they did a huge
तो जब
leap.
तक आप ये इस तरह की चीजों को खोलते नहीं रहोगे तब तक दरवाजे बंद ही रहेंगे.
Do you think it makes a difference? Or should it make a difference अगर मूवी बहुत अच्छा बिजनेस नहीं कर सकी बॉक्स ऑफिस पे?
You have to make. You'll never know till you try.
Yeah.
इस डर में बैठ के हाथ पे हाथ रख के क्या फायदा?
Yeah.
At least you established a VFX studio.
Yeah.
I have to say
if
वी एक्चुअली
anything-
को बहुत कड़े जाता है कि उनका इस चीज के लिए जिगर चाहिए. एंड टू फॉर योर फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट इट वाज आर्या पार. पहले अटेम्प्ट में आपने इतना कुछ लगा दिया कि यू नो व्हाट दिस इज.
People are curious about Umro यार कौन था क्या था? Could it have been better? Will it be better? Who is he? You know,
So at
those who
least
knew about
conversation
it,
start
the
हो रही है.
conversation has started.
बिल्कुल.
A VFX studio has definitely been established. That's the biggest
Huge.
highlight of this. And when are we going to get a chance to play
सुपर
superheroes?
हीरोज यार.
That's a dream come true
और
for us as
हमेशा वो लोग
actors.
कहते हैं कि हमारे अपने सुपर हीरोज कब होंगे. व्हाट कैन आवर जेन जी एंड ऑल लुक अप टू के फ्रॉम आवर ओन कंट्री. वी डोंट हैव दैट वेरी मच. एंड आई थिंक अब सोचिए कि इस फिल्म के साथ वी हैव ओपन अप सो मेनी डोर्स, सो मेनी फर्स्ट. एंड आई थिंक के इंस्टेड ऑफ थिंकिंग, आई प्रॉमिस यू दिस, मैं आपको दावे से कह सकता हूँ, आप वापस जाके one of my favorite, I thought it was a game changer for Marvel. ठीक है, was Iron Man की पहली Iron Man जिसमें फरहान ताहिर is the antagonist for that and he's our antagonist. 2008 में निकली थी. आप उसको जाके देखें, मैंने recently देखी थी. उसको जाके देखें, आप कहेंगे यार wow, this looks like nothing compared to what the VFX we see now. But it was the first for a game changer for Marvel which created this whole other universe. तो सोचिए कि this is our first यार, and it's all Pakistani. यहाँ पे जो हमने गोरे भी बुलाए वो भी अपने दिल में पाकिस्तानियों के लिए एक स्पेशल प्लेस लेके गए. रिकी बटलन हमारे सिनेमेटोग्राफर, इवन वैन टेम्परले हमारे स्टंट गाय, स्टंट सुपरवाइजर अपने पाओलो, हमारे इटालियन जबरदस्त सेट डिजाइनर. They've all taken something special.
You know, the
For
IR
Pakistan.
layer was made out of styrofoam.
Oh, okay.
Styrofoam. The
ये
whole
magic है.
IRों का घर was styrofoam.
और पूरा बना है बाय द वे. आप स्टडी कैम में पूरी
उन्होंने
शॉट
डिजाइन किया और फिर हमारे
जो
मजदूरों ने
दूर से जो
दूर तो CGI था outside, but when you come
बट
inside,
पूरा
the
इंटीरियर
walls are
ऑल
not
स्टेन ग्लास,
stone.
ये वो सारा वो
It's styrofoam. It's shaded,
the
painted,
inside of
carved.
the inside of that वो
yes,
पूरा
yes.
महल जो था वो
Yes.
जो
styrofoam.
okay
You know,
it didn't
लक्का
look
का
Of course, it
layer.
didn't look like it. The
It
way it
didn't
was
look
lit, the way
like
it
it
was, shaded. But that was
ये
also
देखें.
amazing to see.
So this is what I mean, and these technicians worked with our Pakistani crew, and they learned so much. We learned so much, and they have taken वो अपने दिल में एक, I promise you, पाकिस्तानियों के लिए एक स्पेशल किया. पाकिस्तानियों के पास जिगर है, स्किल है, so much untapped
Talent.
potential and talent. And I think this Umro will show you. तो please जाइए, थोड़ा सा अपने disbelief को suspend करें, जाके उम्रो यार को देखें, and support your Pakistani, support a first in Pakistani cinema.
I disagree with this thing. Pakistani cinema is not a charity.
I agree.
मेरा
you know?
क्वेश्चन
I
यही
agree.
था
Charity
कि
नहीं है.
क्या फेयर है ये कहना कि पाकिस्तानी ये मूवी देखें टू सपोर्ट द पाकिस्तानी
No,
सिनेमा?
I'm sick of that line.
True.
And films are not
I'll give
worth.
you
There are
that.
a lot of
I'll give
films
you
that are
that.
not worth seeing because
Yeah.
it's like you have to
You have to earn it.
earn it.
I feel you that. I feel
But
that.
you know, every filmmaker goes in with the belief and with the effort
Yeah.
that they're going to earn it. I mean, and then it's up to the audience. And the audience is tough to please, and everything has to be on point. It's not a good film if you are like only this was good. ये बहुत अच्छा था उसमें, ये बहुत अच्छा. As a whole, it has to be good. So as a whole, people can really appreciate it, or as a whole, people can be like, it fell
मजा
below the
नहीं
mark.